All right, everybody, we're going to open up some blasters here. I got 4 Mosaics. These cards that I do have kind of over here, I just opened up a cello box in my previous video I just made. You can check that one out, although I will warn you, nothing too exciting came out of there. I didn't even get a base rookie or base picket out of that box. So, disappointing, to say the least. But, so, we'll see if we got some better luck on the blasters. Keep your fingers crossed, and we'll see how we do. Again, if you're just tuning in or checking out the channel, appreciate it if you give me a sub. I do breaks, talk about the hobby, first PC collections, kind of showing part of it off, and more future content. So, appreciate a like and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on the break. Say hello, whatever you want to do. Appreciate that, and thank you in advance. All right, so let's see how we do here. Matt Corral, I didn't get him at all in the entire. Not that he's anything special, but I didn't get him at all in the cellos. I don't know if it's cello or cello or Aaron Rodgers. Put him there. Excuse me. Yeah, disappointing in the cello packs. For sure. Entire box, didn't get Purdy or Pickett, and no autographs, and really not much else. I got a base Kenneth Walker, rookie, and that was probably the highlight of the entire box. So nothing too crazy, a lot of colors, but James Cook, Aaron Donald Green, so far off to a pretty slow start here in the blasters too. Looking for some Purdy, Pickett, Marquise Brown, Chris Carter, blaster number 1's going down here without much of a thing too exciting. Hey, there we go. We got a Purdy. Purdy. Nothing on the entire cello, but got one out of the first blaster box. So, that's good. Joe Namath Green. Pretty nice the Purdy was a silver, but hey, beggars can't be choosers, right? There's the other Pittsburgh quarterback, Trubisky. We already know he sucks. Jameson Williams, rather. Justin Fields. Henry Bang. Excuse me, nothing there. Last pack on the first blaster box. Hassan Haskins. Jordan Davis. There we go. Nothing crazy, but I'm an Eagle fan. Excuse me. Take a drink. All right. Yeah, Jordan Davis. Green Eagles. So that's it. But it did get a Purdy. Finally. After being shut out. Alright, we'll open up blaster box number 2. Just let me myself squared away here a little bit. Do a little house cleaning here with all the wrappers. Alright. Box 2. Here we go. I always like the Mosaic. I mean, they're not the greatest. I think they're overpriced a little bit in terms of just because, I mean, I don't know. Maybe they're just oversaturated now. Maybe that's what I'm thinking of. Because the cards are nice, but I think they actually put too many of these greens and pinks in there. So they're nice looking cards, but obviously not hard to get. Silvers are hard to get. All right, Waller, Slay, Breece Hall, obviously really good player, but you know, season cut short because of injury last season. But definitely showed a lot of potential. There's our first, speaking of silver, first silver Mike Williams. Silvers are definitely pretty nice. And then Herbert, Will to Win, Prism. Silver Pickett would be nice. Autograph Pickett would be even nicer. All right, we got Sean Alexander, Harrison Smith, Kendrick Bourne, Justin Fields, Jelani Woods, and we have a rookie. There's Hassan Haskins again, green rookie. All right, almost halfway through this blaster box rather. Johnson, Barkley, Russell Wilson, Devontae Adams, and T. Higgins, and Mark Andrews. Next pack, we have Mike Williams, Aaron Rodgers, Khalil Mack, NTN, Jameson Williams again, hit him earlier, and Jonathan Taylor Green. Oh, again, we get Mitch Trubisky. No Pickett. All right. Charles Woodson, Kyle Hamilton, Holden, Marcus Allen. Really, not even a rookie in this pack. Oh no, we got one here. Kyle Hamilton. Let's go through and make sure I didn't miss any others. All right. Last pack in box blaster 2. Debu, Portis Jones, Aaron Rodgers, Elam, Mike Williams green, and that'll do it for blaster number 2. Blaster 3, here we go. Myers, Goddard, Davis, Christian Watson. There we go. It's a pretty decent one. First one I got out of a cello or any blasters. The rookie wide receiver, and Sam Williams, the Cowboys. Dawson Knox, green. Waller, Washington Burrow. We got a silver, and it's Tyreek Hill silver. That's pretty cool. Thunder Lane is Jonathan Taylor. All right. Must be one silver per box. Per blaster box. Barry Sanders. Peyton. Mike Woods. Cooper Kupp green. Nothing crazy there. Come on, you can't give me a Purdy auto. Let's go. Johnson, Barkley, Tom Brady, Connor, Miller. I thought that might have been an auto for a second. Antonio Gibson will win. mixed up. Lost my video, so hopefully this is in camera. Mike Williams, Trevon Walker, rookie. Romo, Chad Johnson, Kenneth Walker, second. I pulled him out of the cello. Now I got him in the cello. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Got him in the blaster now. And Johan Johnson, that's the second one. I got him and also in green in the cello box. All right. I don't know if my video's coming back now or not. All right. Anyway, another Mitch Trubisky. Unbelievable. They got like 3 or 4 of him. No Pickett. Woodson, Taylor. Moore. Javonte Williams. No rookies in this pack. Warren Moon. Nope, no rookies. Okay. Last blaster. That was a complete dud. Although I guess I get Kenneth Walker out of there. Last one. Here we go. Last shot on autograph. Last shot at Pickett. I do have one Purdy that came out. Here we go. Alright. Drew Lock, Robert Woods, Darius Slay, Breece Hall again, Jordan Davis again, and Kyler Gordon. All right. I don't know if my video comes back. This might be a complete bust video. I don't know if it's going to get stopped recording here. Eli Manning, Kendrick Byrne, Russell Wilson, Nick Chubb. Silver is Justin Fields. And Russell Wilson. So, we're not going to hit any rookie silvers. All right, Matthew Stafford, Hayward, Christian Watson again. Second silver of him. Or not silver, but second rookie of him, rather. Got my videos back. Roquan Smith. Roquan Smith. All right. We have Devontae Parker, Jerry Rice, Rodgers, Khalil Mack, Reggie Wayne, and George Kittle. 2 packs left, so we're not probably going to get a Pickett, and it doesn't look like we're going to get an autograph out of anything. Cello packs or the blasters. Blaster boxes. Ty Law, Kyle Hamilton rookie. It's like my third or fourth one of him. And I don't have only got one Purdy and no Pickett rather. Algier, this guy actually had a good season for running back. Marino Green. Last pack. Maybe it's good luck if they dropped it there. Carson Wentz, Elijah Moore, Aaron Rodgers, Stephon Diggs, Nico Collins, and Aaron Rodgers. So, yeah, nothing. Big disappointment there out of the blasters and the cello, quite honestly. Nothing crazy. Got one Purdy rookie base out of the entire purchase, which was like $220 for the blasters, 4 boxes of blasters, and the cello pack box. So definitely took a hit on this one, But hey, them's the breaks. That's the way it goes sometimes. Thanks for tuning in. As always, please subscribe for more content. This is Rex Cards signing off, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.